Kia ora te whānau. My thoughts on te reo Māori, well, there are many. To try and think of just one thing, what te reo Māori means to me it brings a sense of identity, a sense of who you are. And living here, it can be easy to lose sight of that. It can be easy to take that for granted sometimes, but especially when you leave, if you travel or if you live overseas or you're working overseas. Or when I was working overseas for a time, one of my colleagues could kōrero Māori as well, so we would kōrero together, and people around were like, well, that's cool, and teach us some. So we would teach some very simple kupu Māori, and then every day people would be saying, oh, kia ora, and it was fun, and it was cool, and it was something that represented who we were, where we were from, something that we could take with us no matter where we went in the world. And it's a taonga that everyone, not just Māori, but anyone who calls this place home can benefit from and enjoy and appreciate. And it is something to enjoy and to take pride in.